Hello, this accessibility tutorial will address the guideline that states, link text describes the link's purpose or target. For example, Scientific Encyclopedia is descriptive link text. Click here is not descriptive link text. This matters because, for all users, especially those with visual impairments, links to sources or websites must have clear and informative descriptions. These descriptions not only remove confusion or doubt about the content or target of links, but allow screen readers to communicate organizational information effectively. Here's how to create or fix this guideline. Make certain to confirm that the title or name of a link concisely but accurately describes its destination or content target. Examples might include course design live session recording, or exemplary course program course design presentation. Avoid vague, general, or uninformative phrases such as watch this, click here, or more. They do not assist the user in identifying the content to which the link is connected. Note, though it is not recommended, an entire linked sentence, such as click here for Scientific Encyclopedia, is considered accessible. Here's how to test for this guideline. First, on the Mozilla Firefox Accessibility Toolbar, click on Navigation and then on Links. A pop-up window will then appear displaying the links within the page and their content targets. Visually examine and confirm that the links adequately describe the target and destination. In addition, read the verbiage in each link. It should be both concise and descriptive. A better option for the watch this link would be the name of the video for the link text. Thanks for watching this tutorial. For more information, please visit www.txvsn.org.